the Recurve RDA from Wotofo and Mike Vapes. Let's have a look. Hey guys, Vaping Vick here, back with another review. Today we are looking at this, the Recurve RDA from Wotofo and Mike Vapes, the brilliant reviewer Mike Vapes over in America. A collaboration design between Wotofo and Mike Vapes. They have produced this Recurve RDA, 24mm wide, 23.5, 24mm wide-ish. It's got this big curve in it. It's got a very reduced deck as well. It's a single coil RDA, bottom feeding, squonking, or normal dripping. And yeah, it's a single coil and it has a very unique and interestingly reduced deck on it as well, which I'll show you down low. Comes with a couple of goon tips, comes with an adapter to use normal 510 tips as well. Squonking an absolute treat on my Mod Maker dual parallel. Vaping a bit like this. Very nice indeed. Very interesting the way this actually squonks. I'll show you that as well. As always with Wotofo, available from day one with a wide range of colours. This is the gunmetal one. Down low I'll show you the rainbow one as well. So let's go down low. I'll show you how to put a coil in it. I'll show you the one that I've got built up. I'll show you a new one. And yeah, we'll have a really good look up close. Then we'll come back up top for pros and cons. See you in a sec. Alright guys, here we are down low with the Wotofo Recurve from Wotofo and Mike Vapes. The lovely and brilliant Mike Vapes. Collaboration on this design. This is the packaging, of course. This is the rainbow coloured one. Quite an interesting looking one. So you've got your barrel in this bit here. You've got your deck, obviously. We'll come back to that. You've got your goon to 510 adapter and a spare drip tip as well. Let's try and get that out. So you've got your spare clear goon drip tip, also with a curve in it, which is nice. Pop that back there. You get a screwdriver, some cotton, coils, manual, all that good stuff with the spares as well. Okay, so this is the RDA deck and barrel. Just quickly looking at the barrel, very interesting on this device. You get this very, very cool goon drip tip. The style of the drip tip depends on which colour you go for. This is the rainbow one. So you have 6 holes in each side. So dual, it's coming in from both sides there, so dual airflow. But the actual barrel is on a curve here, as you can see, hence the name Recurve. And the drip tip is even in a curve there as well. So although this is a 24 or 23.5mm wide RDA, really, because it's got this thick barrel and the design of the deck, it vapes much more like a 22 or even a 20mm RDA, to be honest. Really thick barrel on this. It reminds me of the recoil with how thick that walling is. And yeah, the deck design as well makes it feel like a much more reduced ATI. So, that is the barrel. Obviously, we'll slam that on in a sec. You've got Recurve on this side here, and nothing on this side. Very jazzy, this rainbow coloured one. And then we have the deck. There we go, here is the deck. Obviously, you've got Mike Vapes on the side here. You've got your screws here. Wotofo on this side, and then more screws here. So you've got your airflow going in this sort of like half pipe, this U. It's sort of finger size, the actual space there. And then obviously you've got your squonk hole. You can see right through that pin. It's a squonky RDA. It does come with a normal pin in the packaging, so you can use it as a normal dripper, but it does lend itself very well to squonking this. So there we go. There we go. That is that's what it looks like. So let me show you how you mount a coil in this. Get your trusty blue screwdriver and you undo some screws. One. Now, technically on paper, you would call this a single coil RDA. But once you get this coil in, you will see that I'm sure some skillful builders and some people that want to have a real go could definitely figure out a way to put a dual coil in here for sure. But I think technically it is designed for single coil mainly. So you literally take your coil, get any sort of traditional coil situation. You've got one leg a lot higher than the other, as you can see. Oh, let's have a look. There you go. So you get your traditional coil, one leg higher than the other. You literally just place that in to the holes. So one in there, one in there. Give it a little push, and that is literally it. You can keep your finger over there like that, and you just tighten those screws back up, one on this side, and you've got your coil mounted. And it is literally as simple as that to mount a coil in here. In terms of height, the builds that I've done, I've kept the coil about the height there, about the running alongside there with the top of the deck, and that seems to work perfectly for flavour. Another thing to notice here is the way the post holes are and the way the screws are coming in. It hasn't in any way twisted this fancy coil. It's flat right up against there, so that's really nice. It doesn't do any twisting on your fancy coils. And yeah, so that's how you mount a coil literally in terms of wicking. You obviously just put a bit down here and a bit down here, and it's got quite a nice juice well there. I've got one built up. I'll show you that now. So this is the one that I have built up and I've been using. This is my gunmetal one, and as you can see, yeah, I've got the coil in that same position there. Got my two wicks in. When you squonk it, the juice goes right up by the coil, right across all those air holes, but it doesn't go down them. As you can see, it's still dry on this side, still dry on this side. It sort of just runs past them and then back down again. When you take a vape, you're sucking on the air anyway, and anything that isn't left in the holes just goes back into the deck anyway when you draw on it. So yeah, built up, it's looking like that and working really, really well. There you go. So let's get the gunmetal one back. So here is the gunmetal. Here's the rainbow one back together, looking lovely, all back together like that. Fancy drip tip, adjustable airflow. Obviously, you just spin that around to cut off as many holes as you want, and you're done. That is the Recurve from Wotofo and Mike Vapes. Let's go up top for pros and cons. Okay guys, that was the Recurve RDA from Mike Vapes and Wotofo down low. I'm sure you'll agree, really interesting design, really cool design. I absolutely love the way the airflow is all around the bottom of the coil. It gives it that side and under airflow sort of feel. Flavour so far for me has been absolutely fantastic. Really enjoying the way it vapes. And yeah, single coil as well, and I think single coil and squonking go hand in hand really, really well. So I think it's a really, really interesting deck, really, really cool vape, very, very nice flavour as well. I think it's really interesting looking, really, really interesting looking with this big bend in it, this big curve in it. It's a 24mm RDA, but really it vapes more like a 22mm RDA. I love that the goon tips have a lovely curve in them as well. I like that you get a fancy goon tip and a normal goon tip and an adapter for 510. In true Wotofo style, they always do good with the extras. I think that's really cool. There's a range of colours available, really liking this gunmetal one, but yeah, check out all the colours available as well. Really cool, really interesting thing. Now, starting at the bottom, the deck is really, really smart, really, really smart. I really love the way you have to, when you mount the coil, if you're using a Clapton or any kind of flat wire build, Alien, anything like that, and that is what I recommend in here, your Claptons and things like that. It is a cloudy tank, even cloudy RDA, even though it's a single coil, it is a cloudy piece of kit. When you're using those coils, they just clamp perfectly, no twisting or anything like that. You barely even have to pinch the coil, it sits in so neatly. The spacing is absolutely perfect for a traditional Clapton coil, so the spacing is perfect. You literally just, as the coil comes, you just drop it in, and it fits in beautifully and doesn't twist any wires or anything like that. I really like that. It clamps really nice. As a result, makes a really nice connection, and you don't get any crazy hotspots and things like that. Very quick bit of heating up, and it's very neat indeed. So I really like the way the posts work. The postless system works on this. Really nice, really neat. Very cool. The airflow being like that, and as I showed you down low, it's squonking up past those holes. That just shouldn't work. That just should not work on paper. I wonder how many people have thought of that and just dismissed it because they'll have gone, well, you just can't have the juice going past those holes. It works. It somehow just works. I haven't had any juice coming out of the external barrel of the RDA. None at all doing that. Over time it gets a little bit messy inside, you know. Over time you might want to give it a quick wipe. Over time it does get a bit juicy around the outside of the inside of the RDA, but no juice ever comes out of the barrel. No juice ever comes out of this sleeve at all. So, you know, the juice thing, the way it squonks, it just works. It just totally works. Even if you get a bit of juice in the holes, when you take your first suck on it, all that juice goes back in anyway. So it just works. It somehow just works, and that is great. So yeah, that's really cool. Also, like, because it does that, because the juice can go over those holes, you can completely saturate your coil and all your wick with, you know, one nice big press, and it's all absolutely soaking, ready to vape again. You know, you don't have to give it loads of hard squeezes or anything like that. Squonks very nicely indeed. And as a result, it will drip really nicely indeed as well. I think this works brilliantly as a squonking RDA, but of course don't forget you can drip with it as well. So really nice. Really enjoying the way it vapes, really love the deck, and really enjoying the flavour and all that sort of stuff. If I was going to nitpick for negatives, what I would say is to bear in mind that it is single coil. So if you're just a dual coil RDA lover and that's you and that's that, then obviously this is traditionally and typically really designed for single coils. I'm sure some builders are going to put some dual coils in here. There definitely is room for dual coils, but at the same time it is mainly a single coil RDA. So if you're a dual coil person only, then maybe it's not for you. I don't know. The other thing I would say is if you are a round wire single coil squonker, then I don't know if this is the perfect RDA for you. I think it really is designed for aliens, Claptons and fancy coils like that. It's a cloudy RDA, even though it's a single coil RDA. So they're not negatives, they're just things to be aware of. You know, I genuinely think this RDA is a cloudy RDA, so it does work best with Claptons and Flaptons and aliens and all those stuff. So yeah, if you're a very low wattage squonker, maybe it's not the right RDA for you as a result of that. But I am loving it. I am loving it. The only other little tiny nitpicky thing as well, it can be at a glance quite tricky to see how you have your air holes lined up, whether you've got it all open or slightly closed or whatever. At a glance, just the nature of it, the fact that there's holes on the inside and the outside and you have to sort of join them up, at a glance it can be quite tricky compared to something like a goon, you know, where you just at a glance you can see. It can be a little bit tricky just to line them up at first glance, but that again that is such a small nitpicky thing. I think this is a brilliant RDA. Really enjoying the vape on it. I think it squonks brilliantly. I really like it. I really like the RDA. Mike has done a brilliant job. Well done, Mike, on this. I think it's great design, really cool, really interesting, very unique. And Wotofo, build quality on point. You know the price is going to be great from Wotofo as well. Check it out. I think it's great. I think it's a really good RDA. I'm really enjoying using it. I've been Vaping with Vick. Let me know what you think in the comments. Like and subscribe if you haven't already. And yeah, I'll see you later, guys. Good RDA this. Check it out.